How to create a close friends list on Instagram. If you've created an Instagram story and only want to share it with a select few individuals, you can use Instagram's close friends list to quickly and easily share Instagram stories with this group of people. Once you have your Instagram story created, you can create a close friends list by selecting the close friends icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you don't have a list already created, you can select Add to List to begin adding users to your close friends list. Then click Get Started. In the search field, you can search for the individuals that you'd like to add to your close friends list. Once you find the person that you want to add to your list, just click the Add button on the right side of the user's name. If you need to remove a user from your close friends list, you can just select Remove on the right-hand side of the user's name. And if you want to start over creating your list, select Remove All. Once you're ready to create your list, you can select Create List at the bottom of your screen. Now that your list is created, you can go back to your Instagram story and select the close friends icon once again at the bottom of your screen. This shares your Instagram story only with your close friends list. From your profile page, you can tell that an Instagram story is shared to your close friends by the green outline around your profile icon. If you select your profile icon to view your story, you'll also see the close friends icon in the top right corner of your screen to indicate this. If you select the icon drop-down, you can edit your close friends list to add or remove other users. And that's how to create a close friends list on Instagram. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.